Hello, this is Joanna McGrath, and today I'd like to do an interview with a lady regarding the public school system. And just we were talking on the phone, and my little one brings home work that she calls bell work, and I'm like, "What is bell work?" And she goes, "Oh, it's work you do before the bell rings." And I'm like, "Oh, okay." And so, anyways, she doesn't sometimes finish it, and sometimes it's wrong. And so I ask her, "Well, does anybody check this?" And she goes, "No." She goes, "They just give it to us to work." And I'm like, "Oh, okay." So speaking with this individual on the phone, um, I was kind of taken back, and I thought I would share this with other parents that were not aware of bell work and what bell work is. So, um, could you, in our discussions, and I'm like asking you what bell work is, and not mentioning any names or anything like that. What is bell work again?
Bell work is given to the children that, before the actual school day starts. So if your school starts at 8 o'clock in the morning, chances are good your kids are getting to the schools anywhere between 8:30 and 8:15 when the buses drop them. 7:30 and 7:15. No, 7:45, I guess. I'm sorry. Anyway, you're getting there anywhere between a half an hour and 15 minutes before the school starts. They won't let you in the classrooms until 20 minutes before the school day starts. Once you're in the classroom, they hand out work, which they call bell work, and you have to do it. It's not necessarily graded, but it's to see what you can do and what you can't do. And, what are they doing with that information? Who really knows? But I had a habit of bringing my daughter to school myself and getting her there just before the bell rings. And she was getting in trouble for not getting this so-called bell work done, which is just busy work, supposedly, until the bell rings. So, it's kind of questionable as to what it is and why is it so important if it's not graded. And if it's just to keep them busy, what does it matter if I show up two minutes before the bell rings? So, the kids' time isn't their own anymore. Anything else you want me to tell you about?
I was just shocked. I'm like, when she mentioned bell work to me, I'm like, bell work? And then I'm looking at it, and I'm like, well, this one's wrong, and I'm looking through it and checking it to make sure it's right, because there's like no stars or no acknowledgement or nothing. And then you also made mention that once the child is on school property, they're the property of the school, something along those lines, or I don't know.
Well, the other thing I was told once that they were doing this bell work or whatnot to see where the children's aptitude was. And, I had asked teachers once before about, knowing what the kids are learning throughout the day. And I was told by the guidance counselor that I had no right to know about what the children were learning. And that I took exception to that because I said I have every right to know what you're teaching my children. And I was told, no, I had no rights whatsoever to know what they were teaching my child. So...
I'm sorry, but I would have gone ballistic.
I don't know what their agenda is.
I'm like, no, that child is still my child. I don't care, about this, incorporation of birth certificates and everything else. I'm sorry, I carried that child for 9 months. I will make sure that child grows up to be an adult, goes out in this world, and is a great, listen to me, I can't even talk, I'm all flustered, and is a great business person. I'm like, entrepreneur.
You want to be flustered? She just told me a story the other day that happened to her in music class where they were talking about how the white children should be ashamed that they're white because they oppressed all the minorities. And Danny was sitting there smiling, and the teacher asked her, well, aren't you ashamed of being white? And she said no. And that every day after that, the teacher would embarrass Danny one way or the other because she was mad at her because she wasn't, upset for being white. So, what the heck is that?
Oh, my gosh.
And then Sammy in the college also had a professor that went off on, saying that white privilege was a bad thing, and that she should be ashamed of the fact that she's white. So I don't know what's going on between the grade schools and the colleges. They all seem to have some wacky sense of the world, but anyone who's alive now didn't do anything bad to minority groups, such as having them as people working on your farms or whatever for no money.
But this is back in the ancestor.
What the problem is.
This is back in the ancestor area. Why are we pulling our ancestors forward when we should be, rectifying and making right, different ways of how it is now? I don't understand this mentality. I mean,
I don't either. I really, really don't. I don't. I think they're creating more racial tension than there was to begin with, especially lately, There seems to be unequal judgment of people. So it's going to cause more problems further down the road.
Well, I thank you for enlightening me on what bell work is. And I know that through watching different videos, which again can be found on this website, they are trying to create that racial war mentality to have, the divide and conquer, so to speak, mentality. But I'm going to end the video here, and I just wanted to say thank you very much for sharing. And,
You're welcome.
And I really appreciate it. Okay.
Anytime.
Okay.